Sabi nga po, love rules without a sword, it binds without a cord. It is only love that can restore harmony to an infected humanity. But it can only happen if you reach out a hand. And once that hand reaches out to touch another, it can begin the first of a series of notes that the master conductor dreams for his major symphony. Nandito tayo lahat dahil sa pag-ibig. And pag-ibig din ang ating ibinabahagi sa ating mga mahal na mga kababayan. Kaya tayo naririto ngayon dahil yun po ang nais nating ibigay. Hindi po ba? Tayong lahat gusto nating ibigay pag-ibig. At nais ko pong maghandog muli para sa ating lahat na naririto ngayon. And to His Excellency, the Ambassador of Italy, sir. Okay. Sige. Hindi pa siya nahanap? Tamang-tama ako'y hihinga at ako'y... sige dong. Okay na siguro. Sige dong. Daghan pa Bisaya, dire? Naapod? Okay. Taga-asa man ka, day? Cebu? Ako Cebu ko. Okay. Taga Cebu sab ko. Okay, this is for all of us. Kiss today goodbye. The sweetness and the sorrow. We did what we had to do. But I won't forget what I did for love, what I did for love. Look, my eyes are dry. The gift was ours to borrow. It's as if we always knew. And I can't regret what I did for love, what I did for love. But love is never gone as we travel on, love's what we'll remember. Kiss today goodbye and point me to our tomorrow. All the best for me and you. Won't forget, can't regret what I did for love, what I did for love, what I did for travel on, love's what we'll remember. Kiss today goodbye and point me to our tomorrow. All the best for me and you. much. God bless us all.